favorite thing at the hospital is dressings.
Yeah.
Oh, you are doing Christmas cards.
Yes.
Christmas Day.
Yes. Just want to make sure that there's.
How often do you go?
About every 2 or 3 days.
Mm-hmm.
I just don't want to let things go too long if there's a problem.
Right.
Okay, cool. So sorry.
Got him?
He's trying to see.
Aw, you little Christmas.
He's definitely acting so much better than.
Yeah, he's fighting us more.
Do you want to give him one more day, or should I try and give him some ice?
Like right now?
Yeah. It's up to you.
He's got a medicated mouse?
That's going to go in overnight because it's twice a day.
Oh,
It's
okay.
So we're going to just. Do you want to try and give him some, or just?
Well, let's give him one more day. He ate good before, so.
See if he'll go with that uncovered, so he thinks it's daytime.
Yeah.
Okay, he's good.